Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rajesh Zavde, Assistant Professor, DG College of Commerce Satara. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about Business Administration Paper 4 in the second semester. So as you know that Business Administration is very important subject and it governs various important concepts. Marketing management and financial management are the important aspect of business administration. In this semester, you have credit assigned, that is 4 credits are there, and it will be 60-40 patterns. So 40 marks will be for internal evaluation and 60 marks will be for your theory paper. So 60-40 pattern, total 100 marks are there. And if you see the course objectives, so here from this course students will inculcate the knowledge. They will have the knowledge of this business administration, and it articulates the students with the digital marketing, convince with the green marketing, then the insight with financial management, inculcating issues and development in financial management. So these are the course objectives. Through this learning, teaching and learning process, student will get these benefits. So these are very important subject and the aspects which we need to understand. So our first topic is digital marketing. If you see today's era and the global market, everything is in e-format. Internet, e-contract, e-marketing. So all these are related to this transaction through digital or through internet. So we need to understand the marketing concept, what is digital marketing. So meaning and the definition we are going to study. Then we need to study merits and demerits of digital marketing. Then digital marketing's domains. There are various domains of this digital marketing. Then settings of and digital marketing presence. And fifth one is e-commerce, meaning definition, features and types. As you know that today's liberalization, globalization and privatization, in this process e-commerce is a very essence of business world. So we need to understand the concept of e-commerce also. The second unit is regarding green marketing. So this is also very essential. We need to understand meaning and definition of green marketing. Second point is concepts of green marketing, green spending, green selling, green harvesting, green washing and entrepreneur marketing. Third point is evolution of green marketing. So how it is evolved, origin of green marketing. Then the importance of green marketing, benefits of green marketing, strategies to green marketing, and 2.7 environmental consciousness, meaning definition and important. So all these are the important aspects of our unit number 2, green marketing. Next, third unit is there. Unit number 3 is regarding financial management. So we need to understand the concept of financial management, the nature of financial management, scope and the function of financial management. Then we need to understand financial planning. Fourth is cost of capital, then capital budgeting, capital structure, working capital management, financial analysis and dividend policy. All these are the important sub-point of financial management. So in the coming lecture we are going to study all these important point. Our final topic is, that is unit number 4, issues and development in financial management. So there are number of issues in the development process of financial management. So we are going to study that also. Sub points are like this: credit rating, project financing, factoring, then marketing of financial services, financial management of business, expansion, combination and acquisitions. All these are the sub points of our unit number 4, issues and development in financial management. So dear students, I would like to tell you that myself and Seema Lange, she is our teacher here for you to teach you this subject. Myself, I am going to teach you one or two topic, and she is going to take two topics, three or two topics from this particular subject. So we both are going to teach you these subjects. So as you know that our internal evaluation is also there. We are going to give you some assignments, projects. There may be quiz also on this particular subject. So please be attentive in this online as well as offline lectures. So there are references or what kind of books you need to refer. So these are the books which are very important for your syllabus. Even we are going to share with you some important reference material, some important notes. So please be prepared with this. I hope you have understood today's our introductory lecture on our syllabus. Thank you one and all.